Get excited about the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.